Good afternoon, guys. This is Mike Padua once again, returning to our tropical weather analysis for this Wednesday through Friday, December 9 to 11, 2020. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest graph sat. Beginning today, Wednesday until tomorrow, Thursday, we still have the northeast monsoon, but just clinging on the northern edges of the country, affecting extreme northern parts of Luzon. That includes Batanes, Babuyan Cubao Islands, including Isabela and the Panatag or Scarborough Shoal at this area. And we have also embedded within the northeast monsoon is a frontal system, bringing as well some cooler temperatures across these areas, down to 23-21 degrees. While across Bicol and Quezon provinces, as well as eastern Visayas and northeastern Mindanao, we have the once shallow LPA just weakened into a surface trough. And together with the easterly surface wind flow enhanced by the existing La Nina, we are going to experience some cloudy conditions, with especially in the afternoon or evening, with some rain showers and thunderstorms. So this surface trough will exit the southern Tagalog provinces, including Metro Manila, in the next couple of days, bringing as well some showers and thunderstorms over this area of the country. The rest of the Philippine Islands will remain fair, with some cloudy to afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms. As you can see, we are moving into the peak strand of the La Nina sometime this December until February, so expect daily rainfall, especially in the afternoon or evening. But so far, we don't have any developing LPA to the east of the Philippine Islands across the Western Pacific, except over the southwest of the Philippines, or at the bottom corner of the South China Sea. We have a shallow LPA with an embedded trough just stationary over that area. Meanwhile, over the areas of the surface trough, just be aware of some possible flash floods or landslides when we have a severe thunderstorm passing over your area. Outside of PAR, we have here the intertropical convergence zone affecting the Caroline Islands. That includes the Federated States of Micronesia. And let's take a look at our fast animation. So here we go. You can see here the surface trough moving across Bicol and eastern Visayas, and some active IDZs here, but no tropical cyclone development will be expected. Here over the areas of Marianas, southern Marianas, including Guam and Saipan, we have a trade wind disturbance, some couple of thunderstorms embedded within the trade winds or the easterly surface wind flow. And as we take a look at our zoom in satellite animation from the windy.com premium, you can clearly see here some developing thunderstorms across the Bicol region, Quezon, including Masbate and the eastern Visayas, brought about by the surface trough and the northeast monsoon and the frontal system across extreme northern Luzon. As we take a look at our 3-day rain, wind, and pressure forecast from ECMWF, courtesy of windy.com premium, by tomorrow 8 a.m., we could see the surface trough moving towards northern Mindoro, Calabarzon, southern Tagalog provinces, including Metro Manila and portions of central Luzon. So expect some showers and thunderstorms for the next 12 hours. And on Thursday afternoon, the surface trough will exit the West Philippine Sea, or just to the west of Lubang Island, towards the West Philippine and South China Seas. So far, it's just a strong thunderstorm, very small, and the easterly surface wind flow will prevail across the eastern sections of the country. As we move on Friday morning, some showers will still be expected across the eastern sections of the country, and on the Friday afternoon, possible thunderstorms will persist almost across the isolated areas of the Philippine Islands, particularly here across Mindanao, due to local convection and the prevailing easterlies as enhanced by the existing La Nina phenomenon. So far, that's the latest from our end, and we'll be returning again on Friday to give you more tropical updates here in our YouTube channel. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser, #TyphoonWiser, and thank you so much for watching this channel.